Okay, bada bing, bada boom. So the iPhone 16s are here, and this year they look pretty dope. Apple said a lot of things, but then there's a lot of things that Apple did not tell you on stage about the iPhone 16. In this video, I'm going to tell you all the hidden gems that Apple did not tell you about the iPhone 16s. Before we get into the bits that Apple didn't talk about, here is a quick highlight of the key elements of the iPhone 16 that Apple did talk about on stage. This year, Apple gave us 5 amazing colors. So we have the ultramarine, we have teal, we got pink, we got white, and we got black. I mean, technically white and black are not colors, but you know exactly what I mean. So I've got to say the new colors are vibrant, they're refreshing, and they give the new iPhone a bold new look, which I really like. So let's talk about each color individually. I've got to say my favorite color by far has to be the ultramarine, because that blue just pops. It's deep, it's vibrant, it's just like, I wish Apple gave us these vibrant colors on the other products as well. For example, HomePod. And then the next 2 colors are the pink and the teal. So I would say the pink has a very fresh, fun vibe, while the teal has more of a kind of cool, kind of understated kind of vibe. I would say the white and black, obviously if you're into your classics, you like your things to be a bit understated, I guess you go for the white and the black. They have more of like a classic premium kind of vibe to them. Personally, as you know already, I'm gonna go with the ultramarine because that color just, ooh. Apple, why don't you give us these bright colors on the Pro range as well? Apple, come on, man. So now that we talked about the colors, let's now move into something a bit more exciting. We are talking about Apple Intelligence and camera control. The iPhone 16 are the first iPhones Apple has built for Apple Intelligence. So what does this mean? This means taking your photography, your creativity, and your everyday tasks to a whole new level, obviously according to Apple. We are living in the age of AI. Not artificial intelligence, but we're talking about Apple Intelligence. All right, so let's talk about camera control. Camera control is all about taking the perfect shot every single time with minimal effort. Camera control uses AI or Apple Intelligence to take care of your camera settings automatically so that you don't have to. All you gotta do is point and shoot and boom, and you get a perfect shot every single time thanks to camera control and Apple AI. This isn't a 16, by the way, this is a 15 still, so. iPhone 16 isn't just about bright colors and and camera features, because this year Apple has given us one hell of a chip. According to Apple, it redefines what a phone can do. Of course, I'm talking about the A18, Apple's latest custom-built microprocessor designed for Apple Intelligence and much, much more. So the A18 effectively jumps 2 generations from last year's A16 Bionic. To you and me, this means better performance, better graphics, and I guess better Apple Intelligence. I think that's all you guys really need to know. Right? So now it's time to talk about the battery, because battery life is very, very important. So all the performance and all the AI will mean nothing if battery life was trash. So picture this, Apple basically made more room inside the iPhone 16 to accommodate a larger battery. Now picture a larger battery plus efficiency of the A18 means you now get 27 hours of video playback on the iPhone 16 Plus. Whew. On a regular iPhone, you get 22 hours of video playback. That is a solid improvement in battery life right there. I mean, I will take every tiny little increment in battery life. I mean, yeah, that's a plus. So now that you know about the colors, the camera, and the A18 chip, let's now talk about the hidden features of the iPhone 16 that Apple did not talk about on stage. And so all the iPhone 16s now come with 8 gigs of memory. Wow, that's crazy. That's quite a lot for Apple, because last year only the iPhone 15 Pro Max, this phone had 8 gigs of memory, every other phone had 6. This is probably because of our AI, because the AI needs a lot of memory, but it also now means that you're gonna get better multitasking on your phone than you did last year. So fan woven was an alternative to leather, and it was trash. It wasn't very good. So this year, Apple has discontinued it. So instead, they are recommending third-party cases or leather cases. So yeah, that was a good move, Apple, because fan woven wasn't fan at all. It was trash. But I mean, at least you tried. Did you test it though? This year, the iPhone 16 Pro and the Pro Max support the JPEG XL image format. Yeah, notice I didn't mention the regular iPhones, it's only the Pros. I thought it was all iPhones. I was wrong. So it's only the Pros, saving you 30% in storage, but also not compromising on image quality. Photographers and videographers are gonna love this next feature. This year, all lenses get anti-reflective coating. This basically means that if you're filming or taking photos at night, you're gonna get less of those annoying floating reflections in your videos and your photographs. You see it more at night where there's like sharp points of light in the background and you get these floating, I don't know, reflections and stuff. it can be quite annoying. Hopefully we get a reduction in that this year with an anti-reflective coating on all the lenses. Why did it take this long? Another hidden upgrade on the iPhone 16 is the support for Wi-Fi 7. So improved network stability across different Wi-Fi bands. So it's a good thing basically. So the iPhone 16s have a 16-core neural engine previously used in the iPhone 15 Pro Max. So the 16-core neural engine will be powering all your AI needs, making your phone smarter every day. Hopefully not too smart though. If you love selfies, you're definitely gonna love this because the new iPhone 16s support 4K 60 or 4K at 60 frames per second and shot in Dolby Vision. So huge upgrade for those TikTok videos. But Apple has kept the same price across all iPhones, except if you're in Australia or in Malaysia where the 16 Pro and the Max are actually cheaper. So I don't know what's going on there. We had an upgrade in Wi-Fi, but this year there's no upgrade in Bluetooth. Bluetooth stays the same at version 5.3 across all the iPhone 16 range. So I guess Apple giveth with one hand and Apple not giveth with the other hand. So yeah. So let's talk about MagSafe. This year, the iPhone 16s support 25 watts of wireless charging. So you can charge your phone from 0 to 50% in just 30 minutes. I mean, that is a nice little improvement right there. And well, that's only possible if you're using one of Apple's latest wireless pucks.